Here we are, baby, getting it to metal. Hoodz, Larry, grease. Grease everywhere, baby.
Oh yeah.
Coming down, coming down. Get it clean, get it clean. Get this restaurant clean. Right? Look at that. Coming to stainless there all over the place. Just got a little bit of scraping left to do. Hit that, baby. Let's go. Come on.
What's the thing about that?
Let's go, baby. Yeah, that's it. Get in that corner. Yeah, what do you think? Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's it, man. Oh, yeah. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Come on, baby. Hoodz, Elmhurst, Kankakee County. Get the grease out again.